How to hard reset Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to hard reset your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. So we will walk you through the process step by step, so let's just get started. In order to perform the hard reset, you need to press and hold the power button and the mode button on the left ear cup of your headset simultaneously. So hold both of the buttons down for about 15 seconds and you will be seeing a power light flash indicating that the headset has been reset. So once the reset is complete, go ahead and power everything back on. First, you can just go ahead and turn on the transmitter by pressing up the power button and then turn on the headset by holding the power button on the left ear cup. And then the headset and transmitter should now pair automatically. And now that your headset is reset, go ahead and test it by connecting it to a console and checking the sound. You should hear the audio clearly, and if you have a microphone, try using it in a voice chat to make sure everything is working properly again. And that is it. Your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset is now reset and ready to use on your PS4, PS5, or even your Xbox. So if you're still having issues, you can feel free to drop any comment below and we will help you to troubleshoot further. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future tutorials. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.